want to go to school looking like that.
This is the last time we had a conversation that lasted more than 5 minutes between sophomore year. I hear you.
You're super talented, Marinette. Agent Abreast, the famous model?
These pages contain various spells capable of giving Ladybug and Catwalk special abilities we haven't known about until now.
You know that young people think they're invincible, and rich people think they're invincible. So take it from someone who hasn't. You're not. You will get hurt. So please don't go out looking for it.
This is the moment I become who I'm supposed to be.
In return for the powers I'm giving you, you'll capture Ladybug and Cat Noir's miraculous for me.
It is very important that I dance with a guy that I really, really like at homecoming. Can I have this dance?
Paris is relying on our new guardian angels, Ladybug and Cat Noir, to save us all. Our lives depend on them.